Being a student requires a lot of time, effort and work. If you want to get good grades and be one of the best students, then here we recommend some virtual tools that can be functional when studying an exam, taking notes, refer to sources and be more productive in class. Brainfocus. It helps you to improve productivity through a simple timer that allows you to intersperse your study time with small breaks or active breaks to clear your mind. Here you can create tasks and configure the name of these tasks by setting the working time and the duration of the breaks you wish to have for this specific task. You also have the option to continue working with the paid screen and get alerts by vibration and sound that the time has already been fulfilled. Google Drive. It is an application that allows you to share documents with your friends or colleagues, being accessible from any additional smartphone. If you need to make presentations, then you can also create them, modify them in real time with several people connected in different devices and present them at the same time. EasyBib. This is a platform that provides bibliographic citations, takes notes and organizes valuable information that is obtained in a book or website at the time of finishing academic work. To implement bibliographic citations, it is very easy. You can scan the barcode of the book, write the title or author, and add it according to the format you want.